All right, guys, we are optimizing our Google business profile. So the first thing you got to do is go to Google business profile, and you should see the website here on Google. And now we're going to go through the optimization to try and get in the top 3 local results. Google Maps is a tool, okay? It's a tool for getting leads. So if that's the case, we want to maximize our chances of getting leads. And one way that I like to do that is I like to have the business name related to the keyword I want to be found for. So let's do a little keyword research and we'll find out what people are typing. So what I'd like you guys to do, if you haven't already, is go to Google and type in Google Keyword Planner. And Google Keyword Planner is going to give me some keywords here, and it's going to tell me what people are typing. So the reason being is you want to go for the keywords that have the most search volume, because those are going to have the most traffic and most visibility on your listing. So take a minute here and get an idea what words you'd actually like to be found for. I'm sure you'd love to be found for all of them, and we definitely can cover other bases, but as our core, that we really want to, if we were number 1 for this, it would be the best. That is the keyword you want to choose. Sometimes, what if our business is, it doesn't have that keyword in it, right? There's nothing saying that you can't go and buy a domain if your name doesn't match the company brand. For example, if I made the name Respite Care Burlington, but my name was Super Respite Care, then this isn't matching what my brand name is. If Respite Care was our name that we wanted, I would basically go over here to ChatGPT Dolly and I'd make a logo for a company called Respite Care Burlington. And I would get a logo and business name that matches the name on the Google Maps. I would just buy a new domain. I know you already have a website. I know you already have a brand. But if we can get an exact match, that's going to really help you to dominate the Google Maps. And at the end of the day, that's what we want.
Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn more, you can find the full course on udemy.com. The link in the description.